Hey guys, welcome back. I want to give you a little bit of Sunday progress and show you where we're at. We got more done, but I ran out of 24 grit discs to finish cleaning it up. All right. Just a quick little Sunday progress video. I need to get some better lighting, but started cleaning up that edge. Kind of overcast today, so it makes it real hard to see. I don't have very good lights out here. All right, guys. And I wanted to let my brother know there's a Toyota, batteries in it, getting ready to pull it in the driveway. It's in the driveway. Tommy, as soon as I get the timing belt kit, I will take it apart and put it together for you. That's what I got to take apart, put the timing belt in. With these big hands. And this big hand. But I'll put it together for you. It's got new wires. Alright. Do you want headlights? Let me know. Alright, see y'all on the next video. Alright, let me know what you think down in the comments. Let me know.